So what is a constructive, healthy disclosure? If you're watching this, most likely you understand the incredible pain of infidelity. At A Fair Recovery, we also understand that navigating the aftermath of betrayal is one of the most difficult things couples face. In fact, one of the most challenging and yet crucial steps on that path to healing is disclosure, which is why we're conducting a survey. Infidelity is the keeping of secrets. And those secrets, that's what robs the betrayed spouse of their reality, of the truth, and of their choice. But bringing the truth into the light through guided, safe disclosure is where healing can begin. So what exactly is disclosure in the context of infidelity? It's more than discovery, like getting caught or someone confessing to an affair. That's just the first step. Disclosure is the intentional process by which the unfaithful partner shares a complete picture of what's happened. The who, the what, the when, the where, in a productive way. Hopefully, the unfaithful partner will abandon their shame and guilt, and from a place of concern and authenticity for their mate, give the truth and answer their questions. For the betrayed partner, it means hearing the painful truths, and that can be re-traumatizing if not done in a productive way. That's why trickle truth or staggered disclosure ends up being so damaging. Revealing information in bits and pieces or through the lens of shame only prolongs the agony and further erodes trust, making healing so much harder. While painful, full disclosure is going to be the cornerstone of beginning to rebuild trust after infidelity. In fact, Frank Pittman says, it takes a long time to rebuild trust, but you can replace trust with honesty, and that's the responsibility of the unfaithful spouse. It's about creating a new foundation on that honesty, even when that truth is difficult. For the betrayed partner, having that full truth allows them to make their own informed choices about their future and their healing journey, and it gives them back a sense of agency that the infidelity stole from them. For the unfaithful partner, it's an act of accountability and the crucial step in demonstrating a commitment, authenticity, and change. Without a clear understanding of what's happened, you can understand how difficult it would be to move forward and to heal. Taking this survey is your opportunity to contribute to a greater understanding of disclosure and to help others who are just beginning their journey. Your anonymity, I promise you, is going to be protected, and your honest feedback is invaluable to us. Please take a few minutes to share your story. Your voice matters. Thank you for your willingness to engage in this important topic and for being a part of the A Fair Recovery community. To healing.